It's a new 2024 Ram 3500. The sound of this Ram 3500's engine is the mechanical equivalent of, "Yeah, I can do that, boss." It was built to haul payloads, tow equipment, and take care of you and your bottom line. And with features like these, every drive is a pleasure. Automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, driver selectable mode, trailer brake controller, integrated navigation system with voice activation, Wi-Fi hotspot, dual zone climate control, trailer hitch receiver, electronic shift on the fly, auto-dimming rearview mirror, and intercooled turbo i6 engine. Engineered to get things done. Engineered to be a Ram. Someone is going to drive this fantastic vehicle off the lot. It should be you. Test drive it today.
So come visit us on the Motor Mile, where you're always a name and never a number. Call, click, or stop in. We're conveniently located at 200 Motor Lane in Christiansburg, Virginia.